happy camper.
See, you know what's gonna happen in this park?
What?
Before you guys go inside, we're taking souvenir photographs today if you want to try.
They've already done the presentation, so they're going down right now.
It's a special talent. That's why you're special. And worst one comes Colorado River. Okay? Sometimes I can say it. Sometimes it comes out like Colorado River. Okay? So you understand? Then so I decided to call it that one. Okay? Every time I say that one refers to the river, it contained 8 cubic yards. They went back and forth, back and forth. They did it every 78 seconds, 24/7, 2 years solid to get to the 726 feet high. This picture shows a close-up of their operation. Some of you might have heard the rumor that bodies were buried in the concrete, right? But I assure you today, there's no bodies buried in the concrete. Reason? Each time 8 cubic yards of concrete came down, these are rather large wooden form. So level raised about 3-4 inches at a time. So think about the situation. Your coworker just fell flat on top of concrete, sinking little by little, struggling, say, help, help. What would you do? Of course, you help him out. And that particular matter, yes. Cut and paste, I guess. So, this is downtown Las Vegas, Fremont Street. The reason why we have this picture here, because the Hoover Dam supplies only one.
Folks, still got a few more coming in. You folks over here, you're all set. If you're just coming in that entryway, squeeze on in. Make sure everybody gets in and gets a spot on the rail. Squeeze on the floor. You'll see a rust-colored object embedded over there. That is a Pelton water wheel generator. It has a twin on the Arizona side. Each of the two is capable of producing up to 2.4 megawatts a month.
And it holds 9.2 trillion gallons of water, which means if we should happen to empty out the lake, we could cover the whole entire state of Connecticut in 10 feet deep of water itself. Looking straight down into the turning water, that water is just recently accepted.
She's having a great time at the Hoover Dam.
Hey, Catherine.
Hi.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Looking at pictures I've never looked at
Do you like them?
from the wedding.
Do you like them?
Mm-hmm.
Have we videotaped you in the house yet?
I don't think so.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I look like that. Your sister said she's gonna put this on her. If we're very lucky.
Here we are. Tomorrow we're getting up and going to Sedona, Arizona to do some mountain biking. I think I have everything together, but we'll see. Hopefully everything gets in the car and we have a good time. Whoa, the pumpkins. Over your leg. We're in a giant cloud in Arizona. We're in a cloud.